Our application process has now moved to an online portal called Gate Front Office. This mini tutorial will guide you step by step on how to update your applicant profile. Currently, the Community Initiatives Program, CIP Operating, and the Community Facility Enhancement Program, CFEP Small, have transitioned to Front Office for this process. By this point, you may already be familiar with or have completed the following. If you haven't, or if you need help, please watch our previous mini tutorial videos for guidance. Your applicant profile contains information about your organization, such as your organization's legal name, your nonprofit or charity registration type, your organization's address, and contact information. This information must be updated before starting any new applications, as the information here will carry on through to your application. If you don't update it, the old out-of-date information will appear in your application. First, start by visiting the Gate Front Office webpage. This web address can be located in the email containing your login credentials. Once you arrive at the Gate Front Office login screen, click on Login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will be on the main page. Select Applicants, which can be found on the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Next, select your organization's tile. If you are registered to multiple organizations, they will all appear on this screen. Make sure to select the organization that you are wanting to update the applicant profile for. Next, you will come to this screen. Click on Manage Profile, which is in the top left corner of the page. If your profile is currently incomplete, this text will appear in red. If your profile was previously completed but now needs further edits, it will not be in red and instead marked as complete. If there are any changes to your organization's information, you will need to select Manage Profile to make those changes. Now you will see your applicant profile. To begin making edits, start by selecting Submission Summary. Once selected, you will be brought to this screen to make changes. Click Edit in the top right corner to open your applicant profile for editing. The page will reload and you will see a red Complete button. Only click this button when you have finished all of your profile edits. After completing each profile section, be sure to click Save and Next to ensure the information you've entered is saved and carried through to the rest of the application. Keep in mind, based on how you answer questions in the applicant profile, the system may add extra pages for you to complete. These pages will appear on the left side menu. For example, if you select that you are a charity registered with both corporate registries and the CRA, a new tab called CRA Registered Charity will be added to the left menu. Here are a few additional tips for completing the applicant profile. Use your organization's legal entity name, which can be found on your registration documents. When entering phone numbers, simply type the digits without spaces or dashes. Make sure to also include an email address for each contact person listed. And once again, always remember to click Save and Next to save your progress. After going through all the profile sections, you will end up back at the Submission Summary page. If for some reason you have missed an item, you will see a red X beside the page that needs further attention. You will not be able to submit your profile updates until those sections have been completed. Once the corrections have been made, click on the Submission Summary page once again. Once you see all the green check marks, click on the Complete Profile button. All of the updates you made are now saved and will carry through to your application. Please keep in mind that you have not submitted your application, but you have successfully updated your applicant profile, which is a needed step before you start your application. If you need to make future updates, then repeat the steps shown in this video. This concludes the mini tutorial on how to update your applicant profile in Gate Front Office. If you have any questions about this process, please contact Community Grants at 1-800-642-3855, or you can email your questions to communitygrants@gov.ab.ca.